Bob Yolene got to work. Going crazy.
Go over there. Like right in the middle, right where it's touching the ground type shit. Oh!
Keep going, it's going.
Go breaking the flat.
Bob going crazy over there still. 2 days later.
Put that shit in, bro. Put that shit in, bro.
Put it in where?
Bro. And you think you know bullshit. Yeah, nigga. That shit wasn't going nowhere though.
Bro, grown is a bitch.
Hey, don't post that shit, nigga.
No.
Put that shit, don't put that shit up. Hey, post it, but beep it out, nigga. Like, beep.
No, I'm not beeping it, bro.
Alright, for chills fuck with you.
I'm bleeping that. Nah, leave, bro. How does it feel? Hi, man. Look at your feet. Look at your feet.
It went down. That's the bottom part. The last one, Shane.
That's one, and we going home.
Tiene que ser Bobby que te da un putazo en el pie.
¿Cómo lo de? Dale, verga. You got another rock?
Ooh, if it was hot.
You got another rock? A rock?
No.
Otro para ponerlo ahí. Because he already hit the floor. Yeah.
In the Honda, bro.
Where the fuck?
Just look through a Honda, bro. I got nothing to hide. See, we wanna see. We wanna see.
We gon' see, nigga. We gon' see. Ya les hubiera ganado, güey.
Here.
Oh! Man, keep recording this nigga, bro. He ain't even finished. He just said, I'ma just stop. He said, I'ma just
Man, I can't do it with a bottle though, nigga. Shit, what up?
Bro, we home.
I'm laying rosado. I'm not finna get famous, bro.
I got the talco in the truck.
Alright, now you might get famous.
Arriba de un Rolls sereno así soy yo. En playas de Miami, en chingan los jet skis. A veces en los antros o en snifters. Like in a...
con la
En la se enamoró. Bro, not steady even with the fucking thing.
Who sponsored that, bro? Who sponsored that?
Shay.
Yo, man, you probably slap the fuck out of you if you don't get your shit right, nigga. Hey, Chain, what's the
Ella
word
se
tonight?
enamoró.
Chain.
Shout out to our bitches. Clickbait.
No, you
On time to work.
Bro, let's go record, bro, for the vlog, bro. What's up, guys? You know, got my chalán aquí poniéndose vergas con los mission para la
I guess for
mamalona.
my fucking wanna know what you mean, chalan.
Shut up, bitch. Let me do the talking.
Hear this nigga, bro?
Alright, record me, bro. So we got el chalán aquí painting los leashes para la mamalona. Don't interrupt me, you fucking dumbass.
Sorry, Dad.
right here, you know, about to get started on bro flip kit. Gonna take it slow just in case they're too wide. A ver qué pedo. You know what the fuck's going on. Yeah, I already paid you. Yeah, we just all paid for some numbers. You know what the fuck going on.
I'm scooping all y'all bitches in that new truck. I ain't gonna lie.
Four door, more horse, no bullshit. Check me.
I ain't gonna lie.
150
I got
for
the
you
big-
brock ass
Got the
niggas.
biggest number.
On the OBS. So bro got new leaf springs. And all these bolts are rusty as shit. Truck from 1993, you know what the fuck going on. Gotta heat everything up. Don't yell at me, bro. Let me get back to it. Cut everything.
Punchy 69 fighting his manager over some fucking cash that he owes him. $40. Yeah, $40.
Okay, one done. Not successful, but shit, we'll get it done tomorrow. No bullshit. We went crazy on it, no bullshit. Bro, hurry up, bro. Just hurry, bro.
What is you doing?
Mine?
Alright, Shane, stop recording,
My
bro.
bad.
Nigga, you're already dirty. Just sit down.
Ayuda. Bro, got the wrong bolt pattern.
It's the problem, bro. It's the fucking problem. Look at that. Y arriba el amor.
Do it slow.
Y arriba el amor.
Esa madre no. Oh. You should have put the white wheels, nigga. You would have fucking cleared them.
Close the door, cousin, close the door.
Nigga, you would have fucking cleared them.
Hold on, bro, I gotta get the after. This is a little flip kit on the back, waiting on the 3-inch springs. You know what the fuck going on.
That shit loud, nigga.
You know, say what you thought going crazy. We got nitrous, SRTC, you know what the fuck going on.
Shalom.
Yo, sponsored. Chill 414 sponsored by Edición Sirreña. Hit him up.
Broke ass
For
nigga.
local picadas, you know what the fuck going on. Oh, shut the fuck
Bro,
up.
why the fuck this nigga blogging me, bro? He knows I'm copyrighting his shit on site.
Bro, grow up, bro. What the fuck is that about?